Hi friends, if you are on a high protein diet, this recipe is for you. Now, no need to go to those high and expensive so called healthy joints to eat this exotic dish. You can prepare this roasted chicken on your own even if you don't have an oven or roaster. So, come on, let's start. I'll be showing you two types of marinade here and using half breast for each recipe. My chicken breast has been marinating in ginger garlic paste since 4 to 5 hours in the fridge. I had bought this chicken in the morning and I am preparing this dish for my dinner. So I have been keeping it in the fridge. You can add ginger garlic in the marination which I am showing you now. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of curd. You can use hung curd here. Adding salt, meat masala or tandoori masala, red chili powder and ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together nicely. Apply this on the breast. The marinade should be spread evenly on both sides. Keep this aside at least for half an hour. Keep the marinated chicken in the fridge if you are marinating for more than half an hour. Now let's see the other marinade. For this you need to first apply ginger garlic paste on the chicken and keep aside. Now we will prepare the herb mixture. You can use fresh herbs here. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Today I did not go to the vegetable market, so I am using here dried herbs. Whatever I have at home. Add rosemary, oregano and chili flakes. You can also add basil here. Rub it nicely on the breast. Mix and match the marinade according to your taste and liking. Now heat the pan and pour 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Place the chicken breast on the pan. Do check in between as the masala should not get burnt. Turn the chicken and let it cook on the other side. Check with the fork if it's done. The chicken breast takes around 10 minutes to cook. For the salad, scrape the masala from the pan. Do not throw away this masala. It will give a good taste to your salad. Add onions, cherry tomatoes, some capsicums, broccoli. Stir it for 1 minute. Add salt, pepper and lemon juice. This roasted chicken with salad can be a good dinner with high protein and lot of vegetables. Now same way we are going to do the herb marinated chicken breast. Heat the pan and add oil. Place the chicken to roast. I missed the pepper in the marinade, so I am adding here and also few drops of olive oil on the top. The chicken should be tender and juicy. If you overcook, then it will become dry and hard. So keep on checking in between. When the chicken is marinated for enough time, the spices will be absorbed nicely. It will be tender and taste better. When done on both sides, plate it. Now as we had done earlier, we will stir our salad in this residue of spices. Add salt and lemon to it and it's ready to eat. So friends, here it is a home cooked 2 ways roasted chicken breast, better than any restaurant because you know what went into it. And मेहनत का फल tasty and healthy होता है ना?